People think Sora AI is impossible to access for free. But what if I told you there is a hidden method that gives you unlimited access without paying anything? Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use Sora AI for free, generate unlimited videos, and even remove the watermark without spending a single penny. If you skip even one step, this entire method will not work. So make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to walk you through the full process, step by step. So pay very close attention. And without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is Digin AI. In today's video, I'm showing you how to use Sora AI completely free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate unlimited Sora AI videos, how to bypass the credit limit, and how to remove the watermark perfectly. Let's start. First of all, you have to create an account, but don't use your main email. Instead, go to a new tab and search for Temp Mail. It will create a temporary email for you. Copy it, go back to the Digin AI website, and paste it. It will ask for a verification code, so click Send Code, go back to Temp Mail, check the inbox, copy the code they sent, and paste it into the code field. After pasting, click Continue with Email, and create an 8-character password. OK, and done. Account is ready. You can see it is credit-based and limited, but using Temp Mail, you can continue using it for free whenever you want. Now, click on the Create button there, and you can see multiple options. Just click on the Sora AI button. You can see Unlimited Sora 2 is written right there. You can select the desired aspect ratio, and you can select the clip time from 10 to 15 seconds, whatever you want. Paste your prompt, and hit the Generate button. It will start generating your video. I have fast-forwarded the process here to save time, but you have to wait because it's not instant, and it takes time to generate. After some time, you can see our video is ready.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Look at those visuals. Top notch. It's generated by Sora 2. The watermark is given by Digin AI itself. You could crop the watermark, but the website itself gives a feature to remove the watermark. It's a golden feature. Click on that AI Tools button. You can see Video Watermark Remover is there, but first, we have to download the generated video. Let's go back to Sora and download the video with the watermark. After downloading, upload that video into the watermark remover. After uploading, click that Deep Clean button and click on Remove Watermark. The process will start, and it takes time. You have to wait. I have fast-forwarded the video again. And look, our video is ready. No watermark there. Download it and play it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Generate more if you want. The website allows multiple generates, and I showed you the method to continue using it for free using Temp Mail. Let me know in the comments how much you liked the process, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more powerful tutorials. I'd love for you to share your creations on my Discord server. By doing so, not only will you showcase your work, but you'll also inspire and motivate others who are learning and experimenting. Every shared video or idea can spark creativity and help someone else take their first step, so don't hesitate to post your content and be part of our growing community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.